Hey, Paul Hansen here with you once again. Now, you've probably heard it said that we get what we focus on, right? Well, right now, everything we hear about is doom and gloom with recession fears and rising prices and fear of loss. Many call this a crisis situation. Interestingly enough, the Japanese view crisis as a dangerous opportunity. Well, it's true. While many will suffer through these troubling times, there will be those that flourish. Do you know that many huge companies were started at the heights of recession? Companies like Google, Microsoft, Airbnb, and others all started during a recession. So what does that mean for you? Well, look, there's an opportunity for you to help others who are seeking answers in this time. It is the reason why many online entrepreneurs flourish in times like this. People are looking for answers and a way to overcome their current situations. And you can provide the answers, and I'll show you how. I provide a variety of tools, resources, and strategies to help yourself and others. Now, there's no need to worry or stress. There are answers and solutions all around us. In fact, you have the knowledge and experience to create your own economy, and I'll show you how. Register here for our free masterclass, and we'll get you started. You've heard it said that the time to plant a tree was 40 years ago, right? The next best time is right now. Don't wait any longer. Think about where you could be a year from now. But if you don't start, nothing will happen. Time is going to pass anyway, right? So what do you have to lose? The information is free, so let's get you started.